show this to you. If you've been to Have Mercy, she does videos. About one of these before, but we never had one of our own before. This is charcoal. They're making charcoal here. So it's what they do is they kind of like get the wood, and then they burn the wood, and they burn the wood till it gets to, you know, the charcoal brick kind of deal. I think they burn it several times. But inside this mountain right here, you got wood burning. So this is a charcoal pit. Make charcoal. You just don't go down to 7-Eleven or whatever and grab your bag of charcoal while you're at the stove. Here, you burn it. Pieces of burnt wood. And then it's a business. You can sell this and make some money off of it. If you watch Mercy's videos, she talks about how much, I think it's her cousin that has a business that's what she does. They make charcoal and sell it. And from what I remember is the charcoal's in demand, or at that time was, where she had several batches sold before she even got them made. So this is a charcoal burning deal. You see the bamboo? Get that here from the farm, probably the wood too. So look how beautiful this is out here, guys. Sorry, I'm just a farmer. I've seen some of the wild goats or sheep or something running around, but when I get close, they get far. But anyways, look how beautiful that tree is right there. It's a mango tree. Man, I'm gonna learn this stuff, guys. I'm kind of getting excited a little bit. Kind of hot, but kind of excited. So there you are. Let's learn together. Well, there's the charcoal getting nice and smoky. Means it's really, really hot under there. The fire's intense. So it's when you know you got a good batch going. That's what I've been told anyway. So first part of the video it wasn't doing that, so now just wanted to put this in here too, showing you. And I still don't know how many days it's going to be before it's ready, but it does take a while.
Thank you guys for watching today at the farm. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and please leave a comment below. See ya.